Globe SIM card registration. Use this link for registering your Globe TM SIM. Or you may click the link on the description below. In compliance with Republic Act No. 11934, all active SIM cards will need to be registered to keep scammers at bay. To register, be ready with your mobile phone cause you need it to get the OTP code once you register your mobile number. Enter your mobile number here and then click register. Remember that the code expires in 5 minutes. Once you exceed the given time, you need to request another OTP code. Like this, my OTP code already expired because I here in a rural area and I received only low signal. That's why I received the OTP too late. So, what I did is, I requested another OTP, then I enter it again, then that's it. I wait for a moment until they finish checking my details. Fill up all the information about you. These fields are mandatory, so you need to fill up all the information. Your mobile number, first name, last name, middle name, suffix, birthday, nationality, sex, registration type, unit number, street, province, city, Varanasi, and your zip code. Then press next to proceed to verify your identity. Please take a photo of a valid ID. Maximum file size of the photo is 2 MB. If your photo is 3 MB, so you need to lower its MB. Photos must be in PNG, JPG, HEIC, or PDF. Make sure your chosen ID is not blurred or cropped. From this drop box below, select the type of your ID and enter your ID number. Upload your photo of your ID or take a photo. As you can see, this photo is 3.8 MB, so I need to adjust it first. Next, take a selfie or upload your saved photo. Same process till you upload it successfully. If done, then press next. Check all these 3 boxes below. I agree to all information stated below. I confirm that I have understood and agree to be bound by the Globe prepaid SIM terms and conditions. And then I understand and agree that any personal data I will provide will be processed in accordance with the Data Privacy Act of 2012 and the privacy policy of Globe. Once done, click Submit. You will receive a confirmation after submitting the SIM registration like this. Registration complete. Thank you for registering. Please save the number below for future reference. If you have more than one mobile number, then you register it by clicking Register Another Number. That's all, guys. If you find this video more informative, then give me a thumbs up. And better to subscribe this channel cause I uploaded more informative and educational video here. Thank you once again.